It's a bunch of weird random mirrors that I bolted together and then tied them to this Dollar Tree little wind catcher thing, and that keeps it spinning even when it doesn't feel like there's any wind out.
Bird scares are banging. All the dollar store mirrors finally paid off.
Reflection of the sun just scares the crap out of all the birds, and they haven't gotten any of our grapes or blackberries since, so let's take a look. Tons of grapes and blackberries on this thing, and that is just steady scaring them away, and it cost $1.
And then this one over here spins like crazy and bounces too.